So I'm standing here in ARU's PIR building, and I'm just going to take you on a little journey with something I do in my sort of day-to-day job, if you like. Quite cool, this one. So welcome to Peterborough's XRP room. In here with a little elephant, quite cool. So this is an extended reality room, as we like to call it in Peterborough. And as the elephants move on, so this enables us to put students into places where they wouldn't necessarily be able to get to. And as the elephants back here mooch up, it might well be on the click of a finger, or we might be able to take you to somewhere like the rice fields of China. We bring objects into the rooms, we bring mannequins in here, and we bring tables and chairs and various things, and we change the scene to be able to maybe a room like this. So now I've taken you into a space that is more static, or it is static, and it is a hoarders environment where students come in, and we might have a mixed environment, mixed space in here, where we, like I say, we bring tables, chairs, and we can project various things onto them, and they run through scenarios in this space. Now this is a favourite kind of video that we demo around, and people love this because they love the holiday element of it, where we can take people to the Maldives and show them swimming and show them the water lapping up like so. Now this one was me on holiday. This was taken in Sri Lanka. This is taken with a 360 camera, and it was something I knew I could bring into the space, knowing that when I brought it in here, the waves would be lapping up on the floor. It's almost like it's lapping at your feet. So this is just taken with a 360 camera, with an Insta360 X4. The colours may look a bit funky on the recording because of what the projectors are doing, but mark my words, it looks as real as it probably can be without being there in this space. We could have maybe environmental lessons that go on, maybe about sea levels, maybe about even the technology that it takes to put this sort of stuff together in the rooms. So, yeah, a cool space to record in, to be fair, and a cool space to do your emails in. There we go. I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to leave the turtles to swim away in the XRP room. I hope you like my little tour of the XRP room. Such a cool space to be able to work in. If you like and enjoy that, please like and subscribe to it, and I'll put some more up because I know some of you do love this. And if you're part of ARU and indeed part of Peterborough, come and find me and we'll put some funky things into the room for your students to be able to do and see. Bye bye.